Sasalapa. My name is Kalais-Jade Stanley Chulit, and I, together with my husband, own Nourish Cafe, Samoa. We have a focus on using local and organically certified produce, which is sourced straight from our farmers who work with women in business development. So all of this stuff is straight from farm to table. This morning I'll be whipping up a smoothie for you, which is our signature smoothie here at the cafe. It's called the Nourish Knockout, and that's because it's full of goodness. So we've got Sasalapa or soursop base, we've got moringa, laupele, which are the most nutritious leafy greens in the South Pacific, we've got mint, and we've got banana. Right, let's get started. So first we chuck in some water, just to help blend up all our ingredients nicely. Once that's in there, we get to the good stuff. So we've already got some Sasalapa or soursop pre-made for us here, but this is what it really looks like. Let's just crack this open so you can have a good look at what it looks like before it's prepared. It's full of really hardy dark pips, which we get rid of by chucking in the blender with some water and pulping it up. It has wonderful properties such as anti-inflammatory, it's an antioxidant. So we're going to chuck that in. From there we're going to chuck in a banana or two. Banana is loaded with potassium. We're going to chuck in some laupele. So this is also known as slippery spinach in other parts of the Pacific. It's loaded with goodness. It's one of the most nutritious leafy greens in the Pacific. Once the laupele is in, we're going to chuck in the moringa. So moringa is a variety of tamalingi, which is also a leafy green that's found in the Pacific. And then we've got some locally sourced, beautiful fresh mint. And we're just going to chuck a bit of that in here as well. We're going to pop on the cap, make some magic. Wow, if it wants to go on. Ah. So this is our finished product. We're just going to chuck on some garnish and pretty it up, and then we'll sample it. And that's our Nourish Knockout. Cheers, freshies. So high, now we cutting skylights. We building it.